Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add custom LED lamp notifications to Huawei Nova 11. And to do this we'll need to open our app gallery. Here in the top search find an app called Notify Buddy. It's this one, so let's install it. When it's ready, click on the open, and in the middle step we'll need to grant 3 different permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. Now we can start using this app. There's 4 different tabs: user, system, active, and the settings. In user you can activate any apps and allow them for a custom LED lamp notifications. In the system you can do the same thing but with all system bound apps. In active there's all apps that we've just activated, and when we go to our settings there might be ads, so let's close them. And here we can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen or color. Click on the test button and you should be able to find your LED lamp right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.